It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2023 Mustang GT Coupe in eruption green. And you have ebony cloth interior seating for 4. And this has a 5-liter V8 engine paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, and it's a rear-wheel drive, 450 horsepower. It also has the active valve performance exhaust, so it has a butterfly flap in the exhaust to change the sound of it. You also have a reverse camera, this nice spoiler. As well, you've got the Nite pony package, so it blacks out the GT, the 5.0. You've got black gloss painted wheels and many more features, plus your black painted roof. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're gonna have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 5-liter V8 engine paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, and it's a rear-wheel drive with 450 horsepower. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat and passenger seat are both powered. The driver's seat also has power lumbar. All-weather mats with a pony on the floor, and you have a little bin here. You just press and it'll pop out. You also have the release for the trunk, lighting controls, and then on the face of the steering wheel, of course, your iconic pony, and you have your volume, cruise control, your manual, your menu, and hands-free dialing. Now this is a push start, so my foot's on the brake and the clutch, keys in the pocket. We're going to push the engine start stop button, and on the dash, any important messages, your odometer reading, and your menu, of course. So there's gauge mode. Let's turn down our tunes, trip, fuel, track apps, driver assist, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, we've got our display screen. We can go into sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio. I'm just turning down the fan here, and Bluetooth. And then you've got your climate, dual climate control for driver and passenger, your rear defrost, there's your front defrost, and your AC. You have your settings, you can slide through there, Bluetooth, your clock, your phone. You can change the look of your display screen and other features in there, and they all have sub-menus. And then when you put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view. So there's the center line, green, yellow, red, just telling you how close you are to other objects or vehicles when going in reverse. There's your bumper. So let's put us back into neutral. Volume and tuner, and there's your dual climate control. So you can control some things on the screen as well as down below, and that's your choice. AC and max AC, and your front and rear defrost. There's your rear defrost right there. So your engine start stop, hazard lights, traction control, traction control, steering wheel feel, and drive mode. So the steering wheel feel, you just toggle, you push up. We're in sport right now, comfort and normal. And then the drive mode is normal, sport, track, and then it says C, track, manual for track. Then we have our drag and snow wet. So as road conditions change, as the weather changes, your feelings change about how you want to drive, you can do the different drive feels, drive modes, and steering wheel feels. And then you've got your USB outlet, 12 volt. You've got a 6-speed manual transmission, emergency park and brake, couple cup holders, the ambient lighting, that's with the rings that are there. And you just release the little armrest here. You've got a 12 volt and a USB, and you still have room to put things. Off to the side is your locking glove compartment, your Mustang badging, auto dimming, rear view mirror, and lighting controls. 19-inch black painted aluminum wheels. The 5.0 is blacked out, and you also have a black roof, and that's part of the Nite pony package. Body color door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. And driver's side Capless easy fuel gas filler. The black spoiler in the rear, and the GT is also blacked out. Backup camera is just above that GT. Backup sensors on your bumper. When you're ready to open up the trunk, all you have to do is double click your fob. It'll power it open and release. Then you just lift it up from the bottom, and lots of room back here. And this is a fastback, so it has a 50-50 split in the rear seats. That gives you even more room to put things. And then when you want to bring down the trunk, just put your hand on the top, pull down, and it's now securely closed. You can lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. It's a great day for a drive in a Mustang, and this is a coupe, so it's a 2-door. I've powered the front seat forward, and you now have access to the 2 seats in the rear. And they've got the nice bolsters as well as a 3-point seat belt. And this is a fastback, so you just pull the tab. This gives you a 50-50 split and access to the trunk. There's anchors behind the seat to be able to tether baby seats, and then just give it a push back into the upright position. There's slim pockets, the clip to release the seat, and seat belt minders. Black deck lid spoiler, black roof, privacy glass in the back windows, a adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, LED headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.